Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Girls Accessories is probably one of the most exciting categories for young fashionistas, offering a delightful array of items that spark creativity and self-expression, from sparkling tiaras and whimsical hair clips to colorful bracelets and playful necklaces, each piece designed to add a touch of magic and personality to any outfit, making every day feel like a special occasion and allowing a 6-year-old to explore her unique style and embrace her individuality with confidence and joy. Number 5. PinkSheep Little Girl Jewel Rings. Introducing the PinkSheep Little Girl Jewel Rings, a delightful set designed for imaginative play. Each ring is adjustable and unique, ensuring endless fun. This collection features 24 lovely, non-duplicated designs, perfect for your little one's dress-up adventures. They're sure to find a favorite. Encourage creativity and role-playing with these beautiful jewel rings. They are ideal for tea parties, dress-up, or any imaginative scenario. Designed with little fingers in mind, each ring is adjustable for a comfortable and secure fit. They grow with your child's imagination. Crafted with safety and durability in mind, these rings are perfect for hours of play. Let their imagination shine with these charming accessories. Looking for a special gift? These jewel rings make a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Bring a smile to their face. What we like? These rings are designed for little fingers and come in a variety of lovely designs, with no duplicates. If your child loves to accessorize and play dress-up, this set offers endless imaginative possibilities. It's perfect for a child who enjoys having a collection of pretty things to choose from for any occasion. What people say. The set includes a variety of colorful hair clips and headbands, perfect for a 6-year-old's imagination. The accessories are made of durable materials that have held up well to daily wear and tear. The design of the hair clips is easy for small hands to manage, making styling simple and fun. Number 4. Purple Ladybug Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. With sparkly gems, colorful stickers, and fun accessories, you can easily peel, stick, and decorate. Then, add the wristlet and charms to make it uniquely yours. This all-inclusive kit provides everything for a magical crafting experience. You'll find a durable aluminum bottle, charming unicorn-themed accessories, gemstone and vinyl stickers, and a sparkly wristlet for easy carrying. Delight any unicorn fan with this unique and practical gift. It's a fun, creative present that's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give a thoughtful gift you'll be proud of. Customize your bottle with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for little hands, and the wide opening makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards, making it ideal for home and school. What we like? This kit allows kids to personalize their own water bottle with sparkly gems and stickers, featuring a fun unicorn theme. If you're looking for a creative craft project that results in a functional item, this is a fantastic choice. It encourages creativity and hydration, making it ideal for kids who love unicorns and enjoy hands-on activities. What people say. The hair clips are very cute and hold hair well. The set includes a variety of colors and styles, perfect for different outfits. The material is durable and has not broken after several uses. Number 3. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Unleash your creativity with this delightful ice cream slime kit. It's designed to inspire imaginative play, allowing kids to craft unique slimes with fun scents and colorful mix-ins. This playful kit comes with everything needed to create custom slime textures. You'll find clear glue, slime activator, and a variety of exciting add-ins like scents, clay, and cherry toppers. More than just slime, this kit helps develop creativity and decision-making skills. It encourages hands-on learning through mixing, designing, and exploring different textures and colors. Get ready for sensory-rich play. This set transforms into an interactive arts and crafts experience, perfect for mixing, stretching, and crafting colorful, squishy creations. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY craft set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions. It even includes a reusable container to keep all the supplies organized for endless fun. What we like? This kit offers a delightful DIY slime-making experience with a fun ice cream and cherry theme, complete with various mix-ins and scents. If your child enjoys sensory play and creative crafting, this set provides hours of entertainment. It's perfect for those who like to experiment with textures and create their own unique slime creations. What people say. The hair clips are very cute and have a good grip. The set includes a variety of colors and styles that my daughter loves. The accessories are well made and durable, perfect for everyday wear. Number 2. Memory Building Co. Unicorn Musical Jewelry Box. Open up a world of enchantment with this classic ballerina jewelry box. Its high-quality music mechanism plays a timeless waltz melody, perfect for little ones who adore classical tunes. A sturdy unicorn figurine is securely attached and gracefully twirls to the music. This durable construction is built to withstand enthusiastic play for years to come. Looking for a memorable gift? This enchanting musical box is ideal for children ages 6 to 12, making it a wonderful surprise for birthdays or holidays. This organizer is perfectly sized for all their tiny treasures. It features ample storage with a ring holder and compartments for necklaces and bracelets. Crafted from sturdy, child-safe MDF wood with a glossy finish, it offers superior durability. This ensures it will be a cherished keepsake for a long time. It features a premium wind-up music system with an easy-to-turn key. Simply wind it up for dependable, battery-free operation that brings timeless charm. Arriving in premium presentation packaging, it's thoughtfully protected. This ensures this cherished keepsake reaches its destination beautifully for any special occasion. What we like. This musical jewelry box features a charming spinning unicorn and plays a classic melody, crafted from durable wood. If you're searching for a special keepsake box for a child who loves unicorns and music, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for storing small treasures while adding a touch of magic to their room. What people say. The accessories are durable and have held up well to daily wear and tear. The set includes a variety of items, such as necklaces, bracelets, and hair clips, offering plenty of options for styling. The colors and designs are very appealing to young girls, making them a hit for dress-up play. Number 1. Meland Doctor Kit for Kids. Introducing the Meland Doctor Kit, a comprehensive pretend play set designed for aspiring young doctors. It includes everything they need to step into the role. This kit comes with a variety of realistic medical tools, a cute dog toy, and a doctor's costume. It's perfect for imaginative play and learning. Help your child become familiar with medical tools and procedures. This toy can ease anxieties about doctor visits by allowing them to experience it in a fun way. Through role-playing, children can develop confidence, communication skills, and empathy. They'll love taking care of their patients, real or imaginary. This doctor kit is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a fantastic way to encourage creative play for children aged 3 to 8. They can practice taking temperatures and listening to heartbeats with the included stethoscope. It's a fun and educational way to learn about health. What we like. This doctor kit provides a comprehensive set of pretend play tools, including a cute dog toy and realistic medical instruments, for aspiring vets. If your child enjoys role-playing and caring for animals, this kit is perfect for them. It's a wonderful way to ease any fears about doctor visits while fostering empathy and imaginative play. What people say. The design is very cute and my daughter loves it. Good quality and durable material. The accessories are perfect for dress-up play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.